Weather goes through more big swings in temperature over this week, so get used to the temperature to just be all over the place. You're going to need the summer clothes as well as clothes ready for cool spring weather, so don't put all that way just yet as we get closer and closer to summer itself. We're already seeing that today. Results about 15 to 20 degrees warmer than yesterday. Yesterday, remarkably cool in the afternoon of that rainy weather. We were in the 50s, now in the 70s or near that as of this evening, starting getting a taste of those big temperature swings as of today. Gorgeous start to the evening, right near 70 degrees right now. And look at what's ahead for this week. We're up another 10 degrees tomorrow, dropping by Wednesday, and then back and forth after that. So as you can see, be ready for a little bit of everything over the course of this week. Now, what's next? It's a cool night ahead. We'll have partly cloudy and comfortable conditions in the upper 40s tonight with a very light breeze. In fact, wind going calm now and should stay that way for most of the evening and night ahead. And then it's up another 10 degrees tomorrow, 80 in the forecast under a bright sunny sky. There is a slight chance for some isolated rain showers as well as some blustery northwest winds as a powerful cold front comes through. So that's what's going to cause the crash in temperatures, not just going into Wednesday, but tomorrow evening. So keep an eye on Canada. That's where that powerful cold front's coming through. We will have a summer-like day right before that, but then this front surges through tomorrow evening and causes a pretty dramatic change in temperatures going into Wednesday. So we're going to track that on the local level. Here we are in the low 80s about 24 hours from now. Keep an eye on Waukegan. Right at about that time, 82 degrees, but then that cold front comes through and now we're just about an hour or so later, already down 15 degrees. So that's how fast temperatures are going to crash in some spots. 15 degrees within about an hour. We will continue to watch that front get closer towards us. Results won't be quite as dramatic, but as we get closer to 6 o'clock, you can see we go from the low 80s to the 60s pretty quickly. Within the span of about 2 hours, we're down about 15 to 20 degrees. So not quite as dramatic as of a crash as the lake front, but we will still see a pretty steep drop-off going into Tuesday evening and Tuesday night. That ultimately lets us down into the upper 60s with some sunshine for Wednesday. At least we see a lot of sunshine with these wild temperature swings. Back up nearly 10 degrees on Thursday. Keep an eye on Friday, first city market of the year, but that does come with a chance for rain, possibly back down into the 60s by that point. Then the weekend, we level out. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures in the mid-70s looking long-term. And your most accurate 10-day forecast, we start to round out the month with quieter conditions. We don't see quite as much temperature variation. Do get some heat, though, maybe some more 80s on that long-range forecast.